What is considered low milk supply?
Breastfeeding has benefits for mom and baby, nutritionally and for long-term health. So in the beginning, breastfed babies should be gaining about an ounce a day. They will initially lose some weight after birth, and then we want them back to their birth weight by 10 to 14 days. If your baby is not gaining that 1-ish ounce a day, then your supply might be low. Babies around 6 weeks, breastfed babies take 24 to 32 ounces a day. So that is kind of what we're looking for mom to produce. And babies can continue to take that much until about 6 months. 24 to 32 ounces is like a full supply. A lot of women, they blame themselves if breastfeeding isn't going well. If you have to supplement your baby for whatever reason, it's always more important that your baby's fed. You're not a terrible parent.